Hi, I'm here with Spec5 to record another Spec5 overview, this time going over the Copilot. I'm just showing y'all here up top how to strap on the Copilot. It'll strap on to pretty much any drone you have here. Looking at the actual device here, if you flip it over, there's the on switch. It's going to take a second to boot up. Right here's the home screen, and then you can use this button to toggle through different tabs. Going from the home tab here, we've got the messages tab right after. Next is the signal tab. It's going to show node lists, how many hops away each node is. You've got the distance tab, which is going to show the distance between those other nodes. And then the bearings tab, which is going to show the approximate cardinal direction to these other nodes. You've got the position and GPS tab. Right here's the LoRa tab. It's going to show the last 4 digits of the Bluetooth code to this device, as well as the frequency. You've got the system tab. It's going to show the percentage of memory currently being occupied. And then here's the clock tab. The clock tab is going to set once your Copilot is up in the air and connected to other nodes. Right below the toggle button is going to be the reset button. It's just going to reset the device. And then on the back here, I'm going to show y'all on the bottom of this device is the USB-C charging port. All right, awesome. Thanks y'all for joining me for this Spec5 overview over the Copilot, and I will see y'all in the next one.